Hello everyone. Today we have a question of probability in which it is stated that we have a bag that contains 6 red balls and 4 blue balls. Then there's a second bag that contains 4 red balls and 5 blue balls. Now we have to select one ball from the first bag and place it in the second bag without looking. So in the end the question is asked, what is the probability that a ball now drawn from the second bag is blue? So first, let us visualize this problem by drawing two bags. So for example, if this is our first bag, it contains 6 red balls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then this bag contains 4 blue balls, 2, 3 and 4. Here the ball is actually was kind of dull. So now in the second bag we have 4 red balls, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have 5 blue balls. One, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in this question we are actually going to take we will be taking any ball, like for example we'll be taking red ball from the first bag, or we can take the blue ball from the first bag and we can place it in the second bag. Because we are not looking, so we don't know the uh, which ball we are choosing exactly. So after placing a ball, it is important to note that if we are taking the red ball out of the first bag, the number of red balls in the second bag will increase by 1, and if we are taking the blue ball from the first bag, the number of blue balls in the second bag will increase by 1. um, it is actually we'll just multiply probability of getting a ball from first bag, uh, whatever ball we have drawn, red or blue ball from first bag, and multiply with the probability of red or blue ball being drawn from the second bag. This is a question of conditional probability in which we are selecting a ball from the second bag given that any red or blue ball is already being selected from the first bag. So we'll just multiply these two probabilities in order to get an answer for this question. In order to solve this question with a little bit more clarity, we can make a tree diagram of this question. Here this circle represents our first bag, so I will write 1 ST here, and if we think of it as our first bag, it has 6 red balls, so I'll say 6 red balls, 6R, and 4 blue balls, so I'll say 4B. Now if we were to take green ball out of the first bag, the probability of selecting green ball from the first bag would be 6 by 10. Oh, sorry. Yeah, in order to solve this question with a little bit more clarity, we can take the help of tree diagrams. So I'll draw a circle here that represents our first bag. So our first bag contains 6 red balls and 4 blue balls. Now if we were to select red ball from our first bag, the probability of selecting red ball from the first bag is 6 by 10. And similarly, like I've mentioned earlier, if we are to select red ball from the first bag and place it without looking in the second bag, the number of red balls in the second bag will increase by 1. So now we will have 5 balls instead of 4 in the second bag. So we will have 5 red balls and 5 blue balls in the second bag. Now to uh, select red ball from the second bag, we will have a probability of 5 by 10, and selecting blue ball from the second bag, we have a probability of 5 by 10 as well. Now if we were to select blue ball from our first bag, we had a probability of 4 by 10. Now like I've mentioned before, if we are selecting blue ball from our first bag and placing it in second bag without looking, our number of blue balls in second bag will increase by 1. So we will have 4 red balls and 6 blue balls in the second bag. And if we select red ball from our second bag, it will have a probability of 4 by 10. And if we are to select blue from our second bag, also it will have a probability of 6 by 10. So now if we are to calculate what is the probability that a ball drawn from the second bag is blue, we will just add the probabilities in which we are getting blue balls. So here we have a line in which we are getting blue balls, and because this event wouldn't have occurred if wouldn't have selected red ball, so we will also multiply this probability as well. Similarly, in second iteration, in which we have selected blue ball from our first bag and blue from our second bag, that part of the tree diagram will also be taken, because that will also yield a blue ball from our second bag. So what we can do is we can just multiply this 6 by 10 multiplied by 5 by 10. So this is 6 by 10 multiplied by 5 by 10. We have 30 by 100. And similarly from this area we have 4 by 10 multiplied by 6 by 10, and we have 24 by 100. So probability of selecting blue ball from second bag, we can just add these two quantities here. It will be 30 by 100 plus 24 by 100, so it gives us 54 by 100, which is just 0.54. Similarly, the question could also have been like that we were to select red ball from a second bag, so we would have taken this these two probabilities and multiplied, and these two probabilities and multiplied, and we would have added these two probabilities. So in that scenario we would have uh, our probability is written as this. We have, for this line, we have 6 by 10 multiplied by 5 by 10, so we will have 30 by 100. And for this line we have 4 by 10 multiplied by 4 by 10 is equal to, we have 16 by 100. So probability of selecting red from second bag is 30 plus 16, we have 46 by 100, which is nothing but 0.446. So This is a very good question of conditional probability and how we can use a tree diagram to better visualize our problem and better solve the problem. Thank you. Take care. Bye.